I have came across countless YouTube videos where creators share their earnings and some of them are mind-blowing. You won't believe this. This finance channel, which receives around 100k to 200k views every day, makes an astonishing $8,000 to $14,000 per day. That adds up a mind-blowing $283,000 per month. Wow! Can you imagine? This video makes in a whopping $70,000 within a 12 months period. Imagine waking up every morning to find money flowing into your bank account while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you it's possible to make passive income with just one video on YouTube? In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a powerful income stream using the power of YouTube video content. Even smaller channels with 1800 subscribers can approximately make $381 for every 1000 views. The channel consistently makes $20 to $30 with just a few hundred views on each videos. But remember, it all comes down to a specific niche you want to focus and how much advertisers are willing to spend to capture the attention of your audience. So let's move on to the first point I want to discuss. In the Make Money Online niche, the average CPM is $13.52, while in the gaming niche, it's $1.40. However, it's important to remember that these numbers are just average, as certain sub-niches can make much higher earnings for every 1000 views. For instance, affiliate marketing, which falls under the Make Money Online category, can generate an average of $22 for every 1000 views. In the previous example of a small channel with an outstanding CPM of $381 is focused on topics such as e-commerce, business building, affiliate marketing, and finance. These niches are recognized for high paying in nature. Therefore, it's essential to choose your niche wisely. The niche you choose plays a significant role in CPM, or how much advertisers are willing to pay you for every 1000 views. Additionally, the length of your video determines the number of ad placement you can have. Moreover, the demographic of your audience also impacts the potential earnings. Generally, the more money the audience has, the more advertisers are willing to spend. In terms of spending, there are three ways to create YouTube videos for passive income. Spending time or money is an option, or combining both. If you have plenty of time in your hands, it might be a good idea to spend a few dollars on editing platforms like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Take advantage of YouTube as a free resource to learn how to edit and create highly engaging content. If you are busy and don't have much time to spend but have some money to invest, you can explore automating tasks by using external source instead of doing everything yourself. Websites like Wish to Do can offer a vast pool of freelancers who are specialized in various aspects of video creation. From voiceover to video editing and creating thumbnails, you can find freelancers charging anywhere from $5 to $30 for their services, which is very much cost effective than hiring an in-house team of professional video editors. It's important to remember that you should invest your time in more productive things like researching the video topics and focusing on brand deals and the growth of the channel. You should always look to outsource the tasks that are time-taking. Now let's talk about the final approach, which is hybrid method. As you continue to learn and improve your skill over time, you can also consider seeking assistance from specialists who can provide higher quality of work than what you are currently achieving. Remember, it only takes one video to begin your journey. Now let's dive into a widely discussed questions of whether it's more important to focus on quality or quantity when it comes to YouTube channels and attracting a large number of views. Most channels need several years and significant number of videos to catch the attention of the YouTube algorithm. This is because content creators progressively enhance their ability through consistent hard work and repetition. Once the videos start attracting viewers, it's typically because the content is well crafted, engaging, and able to hold the viewer's attention. In the end, quality always wins. There are instances where channels achieve monetization by posting their fast, well-planned and carefully executed video. There are also channels that post only once in every 6 months but still get millions of views. This is because the subscribers know that when the creator posts a video, it will be a high quality material. And the new viewers who watch the video first time stay because they find it valuable. By now, you may be wondering that what makes a video high quality? What does YouTube want to find? And the answer is very easy to understand. Actually, no one can understand how the system works. We can only guess by looking at the trends and talking to people who have been doing it for a long time. And with that being said, what better person to look at than the most successful creator on the platform? Jake Paul. Just kidding.
What's important is click-through rate, getting people to click on your video, and then average view duration, average view percentage, or just relative retention, and having them watch it. A lot of creators think click-through rate is just like the title and thumbnail and did they click it, but a lot of it too is did they enjoy your last video? Because if someone watches a video of yours and they loved it, you can bet the next time you're recommended, their chance of clicking is a lot higher.
According to MrBeast, videos that perform well tend to keep the viewers engaged for at least 70% of the video. This percentage should be our first goal before we consider the algorithm's impact. However, before we discuss the significance of this 70%, there are other aspects to consider.
Click, they don't watch, so you want to give them something to click.
Our goal is to encourage people to click on the video. We managed to find a small glimpse of MrBeast video analytics, which provided us with a valuable insights. We discovered that the video had an impressive 7% click-through rate, which is quite remarkable considering the number of times the video was shown to the viewers. Considering these insights, it's a good idea to aim for a click-through rate between 12% to 18%. However, beyond this number, it's essential to choose something that genuinely delights your interest and bring you joy. Make sure that it's a subject or activity that you find fascinating and enjoy learning about. Always remember that nobody on YouTube is an expert at anything, but the most successful creators on the platform are the ones who have a deep passion and genuine curiosity for the topics they share.
I'm about to count to 100,000.
Let's go one step further and use this channel as a way to confirm the theories we discussed earlier. If you take a look at this channel, you will notice that there are only a few videos uploaded. We will all see how far we can go together by examining the viewers' retention, click-through rate, and overall engagement. I will share the results with you later, so make sure you have subscribed to this channel. Now, in my previous video, I have given a lot of important information with proofs that why you should start a new YouTube channel right now. So be sure to check this out so that you don't miss a lifetime opportunity. So that's all for today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.